Hey y'all, it has finally gotten cold here in Birmingham and it is time to whip out all of the good hot drink recipes. If I'm being really honest, I don't love a hot drink. I know, kill me. I drink my coffee cold, love iced coffee, cold brew coffee. I put all the ice in my tea. I love iced water. When it comes to hot drinks though, even whenever it's super cold outside, they're not my favorite, but I have 3 drinks on the docket to try to convince me that hot drinks are worth drinking. They look like some pretty good recipes. I do have to give them that. I've put on my coziest of cozy clothes, the biggest sweater that I own. Everything is well in the world. I'm going to get to cooking. Is it cooking whenever you make drinks? Anyway, stirring together all these hot drinks on my Dutch oven. I can't wait to get started. Let's do it. If in the one instance that I do prefer a hot drink over a cold one, the very rare instance, it is when I am at a restaurant and I am ordering dessert. I will order a hot coffee with a shot of Amaretto. My daddy did this all the time when I was growing up. He did it in every restaurant. He does it at home. This is the one hot drink that I can get behind. And so I'm gonna make that to get this video off on the right foot. I have my very hot water in my copper kettle and my coffee grounds in my French press. I am going to pour this into here. It takes about 7 minutes for it to steep. Look at that. Look at the steam. And then I'm gonna slowly press down my French press and pour it in my favorite blue and white mug and pour a shot of Amaretto in it, and then we can get this party started. We're gonna go with hot drink number 1, pineapple wassail. What the heck is wassail? You can Google it. I'm sure at this point some editors are gonna like put up this really cool Wikipedia or like Webster definition of what wassail is. Long story short, wassail, like here we come a wassailing around the leaves. So that's not even like a song. I don't know what the song is, but there are multiple Christmas carols with the word wassail, and I'm 99% sure the song is called Here We Come a Wassailing, but I don't know the rest of the song. Anyway, wassail. What is wassail? You know, the definition is mulled cider. That is the definition. Wassailing, the act of drinking wassail, originated in England after the apple harvest because they would go around, serve apple cider, and go caroling from door to door, just like the song, Here We Come a Wassailing. Long story short, in this pineapple wassail, there is pineapple juice, apple cider, orange juice, and apricot nectar. Apricot nectar is different than apricot juice. Well, basically it is apricot juice, but it's fancier. It's like thicker and a little bit more concentrated. I love this pineapple wassail. I don't think that I would love a hot apple cider as much as I would this pineapple version. First of all, I love pineapple anything, especially around the holidays. Does it convince me to be a hot drink convert? I am not entirely sure, but I can get behind this, and if I were to be served this at a party, I would definitely drink it. I would probably prefer it cold, let's be real, but the hot version is also not bad. Okay, let's move on to drink number 2, which is a spin on hot chocolate with a little bit of adult fun. But before I get started on drink number 2, I have to go back to my original drink number 1, which was my personal favorite and really the only hot drink that I love. So I have it in my French press and I'm going to press it down very slowly. So here I am with my cute blue and white little cup, pouring in my freshly brewed French press coffee, and cannot forget my Amaretto. That seems about right. Oh my gosh, it just smells so heavenly. This reminds me of all the best restaurants that I've ever been in when I order dessert. It's so good. Okay, drink number 2 is 3D hot chocolate. The 3D hot chocolate gets its name from 3 ingredients that are used to make the drink. Drambuie, which is like an herb and spice infused Scotch whiskey, dark chocolate, and dulce de leche. You make it like straight up hot chocolate, but it has some really cool ingredients. So half and half, which is way better than milk because it's thicker and creamier. And then you put in dulce de leche and you stir and whisk that up until the dulce de leche has like melted into the half and half. Then take it off the heat and add in 8 ounces of chopped dark chocolate and 2 teaspoons of vanilla and like a pinch of kosher salt. Whisk that up until it's all melted, and then you can stir in your drambuie. You don't want to do this on the heat because otherwise all the adult fun will evaporate, and who wants that? Top it with whipped cream and then a pirouette cookie, and then give it a little try. So this is it. Here we go. Hot drink number 2. Will I like it? This is good. It's yummy. It is extra rich, extra indulgent, extra creamy. That's thanks to the half and half. Do not skimp by using milk in this. You definitely want to use half and half. This is so, so good. It is so rich. I can't even explain how rich and delightful this is. I want to drink the entire thing. And I love the drambuie. Yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I knew this would be my favorite whenever I looked at the recipes. I would drink this. Again, would I like it cold? Absolutely. But do I like it hot? Yes. Last but not least, our third and final hot drink. This is hot mulled bourbon apple cider. So it is similar to the pineapple wassail, but it has bourbon in it, and the pineapple wassail was kid friendly. And the addition of red hots to this apple cider, which apparently in some parts of the South, this is like a Christmas classic, a Christmas staple. I have heard of it, but I've never tried it, and I think it's just like a really cool, easy way to infuse the cinnamon flavor. For this one, super easy. You put apple cider, about 5 cups, into a Dutch oven or a pot. Pour in some orange juice, 2 cups, which is kind of weird if you ask me in a hot drink, but the pineapple wassail was really good and it had orange juice in it, so I'm not knocking it till I try it. It also has a 1/3 cup of packed light brown sugar. Then it also had the red hot candies in it. And then, of course, bourbon. But the bourbon, like in the hot chocolate recipe, you don't put in until you turn it off of the heat, because otherwise all of the fun is just gonna evaporate out, and nobody wants that. Hot mulled bourbon apple cider. Here we go. Ooh, okay. It's like better than regular apple cider because it has that like hint of hot cinnamon in it, and also obviously it has bourbon, but the orange juice I think is actually what takes this over the edge. Like I think that's also in the pineapple wassail. Like it's like that very mild, subtle citrus flavor that I really just like think kind of mellows all of this out. It's so tasty. I love it. I might now be a hot drink convert. That is it. I've said all the things that need to be said about these 4 amazing hot drinks. If you make any of them, share them on Instagram with me and tag me at Ivy Odom. I will see y'all right back again here next week. Happy, merry everything. Cheers, y'all.